Welcome everybody, Scott with Decoy Pro, and today I'm going to be talking to you about setting up decoys over water. In this situation here, I have two different examples I'm going to show you here. In the diagram on the left, we have our wind blowing from left to right. So as we've talked about before, geese typically want to land into the wind. So in this case here, our geese are then going to want to come from right to the left. So we have our decoy set up in kind of your standard U diagram here. And then as the hunter here, we're going to be actually off on the side of the lake or pond or whatever it is that you're hunting. You know, we've got some natural covering here, so you may use a layout blind, or let's say you use a boat. You know, you can pull your boat into this covering on the side here and kind of pull it into the covering and get yourself covered up well. Definitely having yourself concealed very well is highly critical to goose hunting success. So in this case here, again, wind is blowing left to right. We're going to set up our U like this with the opening of the U facing away from the direction that the wind is blowing, and hopefully the geese will come in this direction and land right in the landing zone, and we should get some excellent shooting opportunities in. And then our diagram on the right, basically the only difference is that our wind has changed direction now. So our wind is blowing from right to left. And like we talked about, typically geese want to land into the wind, so our geese now will hopefully come from the left to the right. So we've changed the opening of our U, and we've positioned ourselves on the side of the lake or pond here for excellent shooting. And again, if you have a boat, you know, you certainly can pull your boat into the weeds here and get it covered up well. Or, you know, if you're out more in the middle of a lake and there's some weeds or natural covering, you know, get your boat in there, get it covered up. Or, you know, sometimes if you have a boat and you just use the different covering patterns that you can use for your boats and pull reeds over them, that works well as in addition. So hopefully this helps you as you start hunting geese over water, and I look forward to talking to you in the next video.